Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and traders out there. Sit here with another trade recap. In this video, I'm going to talk about my Webull account. As you guys remember, I took 4 day trades in 5 days time period in August on my Webull account, and because of that, I got PDT flag on my account. So I don't know how to phrase it in a proper words, but that's what they said. That's what Webull said to me, like, hey, your account has been flagged for PDT rule violation, so we are going to ban you for 90 days. And that happened back in August. So recently, on 4th of November, my account got free from PDT flag or restriction or whatever it is. 90 days completed by that day, and I ask Webull to lift that restriction. So as you can see here, there is no warning sign over here, and I got my 3 day trade indicator back with proper numbers, or actually it's showing that I can take 3 day trades in a 5 day time period, or we can say it in a week. During this 2 months, I was taking trades, and all those trades were swing trades. During that process, I made some money and I lose some money. So here I'm going to talk about my overall Webull account and the losses that I took on Webull account, and why my account is down by $4,492.88 overall. So when I started trading with my Webull account, I initiated my account with $500. Then I quickly bumped it to the $2,000, because $500 is not enough to start your day trading with, unless you are trading with options. And if you get really lucky, within first few weeks you can grow your account by substantial amount, and then you can use that amount to take trades further. That was the case, and I realized that I want to take bigger positions with good companies, which has price range between $10 to $20 or $10 to $30. So because of that, I bumped my account to $10,700. For a few weeks after doing that, I earned some money, and I bought my account up to $13,000 level. And that journey was not smooth. As you can see, my biggest loss was on GNFT. So when I saw that GNFT, I believe that happened in last year, or this year, January of this year. I bought GNFT. I didn't know that it was listed in Europe's trading platform as well. So I bought heavy amount. I guess at that point I was holding 500 shares of it, and next day that was their earning period or something, and next day it dropped significantly, like 20 points or something, and I lost $1,365 on it. And from that point, I had never recovered fully in my account. Other big loss that I took was on Tesla. I did the same mistake that I did in my TD Ameritrade or main account, is like I was betting against Tesla's downside. I bought put options in my main account and also in my Webull account, and betting against Tesla on the downside is way more riskier than betting on Tesla's upside. So that was a big loss on my Webull account. The other big losses that I took was on Amazon. Now, as you can see here, it's just showing $418, but I was holding a call spread, which cost me around like $3,000. Amazon will go to 3,000 to $4,000 level, and my call spread was between 3,800 to 3,850. So that was kind of like a big leap. I was holding that during the earning period, and on earning it dropped significantly, and it put a big dent in my account. Since this last earning, I made around $600 on trading put options on Amazon. And at the same time, I was watching price action of Amazon closely, and I recovered most of my losses. Still $418, I'm down on it, but I will recover that quickly. Also, like as you can see here, most of the trades that I don't have that many um, big losses in stocks, but some of them are the very small amount. But the bigger losses that I had was due to um, not like seeing the bigger picture where that stock is moving and buying spreads option accordingly, or going heavy in to a particular stock, like buying 5 contracts of Tesla puts or 10 contracts of Tesla puts, like that. So I would consider them as bad choices. I learned from that. My target is to focus on the base hits right now, because I want to succeed as a trader. Mm, I want to be skillful in the trading. I don't want to, just go into the trading, just take a trade, lose money, then come back without knowing anything. I don't want to be in that situation, because that's my goal. Earning money is a secondary. Earning that skill to be a successful trader, that's my primary goal. And as you can see, my winning trades are way bigger than the list of the rate. I would say it's kind of like a 60-40. 60 times I'm winning, 40 times I'm losing. I just want to convert that. I want to extend that winning rate of, right now my winning rate is 52%, considering only trade, not considering the options trades that I took on Webull account, as well as TD Ameritrade main account. So combining all together, like my winning rate is right now 52%, which is quite significant considering I'm just trading only for 1 year. And I want to extend that to 70% or close to that, because that's the range where you can consider yourself as a profitable trader, where most of your trades, like 6 to 7 trades out of 10, will give you money. And I want to be in that position. So that will be my goal, and that's a quick update for my Webull account. I just want to share some light where I took major losses in this account, and why I'm down $4,492 and 88 cents. So that's a short video. I'm back on track with my Webull account. I will take day trades in my Webull account, and I will post all my trades as much as possible. Or else I will do a weekly recap where I will show you all the trades that I took on on this Webull platform during the whole trading week. So that being said, thank you for watching this video, and trade safely. Do not follow anyone. Understand the trading by understanding all the things about trading, and study it properly before jumping into the trade. And I hope that you will be successful like other successful traders. And other thing that I want to mention before closing this video is all the social media links down in the description. If you want, you can follow me. That's it for this video, guys. Bye and have a good day.